This is the message that you need to hear to make this year a great one. Time is not slipping away, it is arriving in new forms every moment, bringing treasures designed especially for you. As of now, 2025 arrived. Let's not fear the passage of time or the idea of getting older. The only fear worth holding is the fear of not truly living. What if we waste the resources we have been given, our time, health, knowledge, and wealth? Let's be more afraid of not striving to become our best selves, of not being of service to others, or of not embracing life fully with open arms. Let's refuse to remain hidden in dark corners, stuck in our comfort zones, with nothing meaningful to show for it in the end except regrets. Be more afraid of not loving unconditionally, not making peace with your circumstances, and endlessly chasing the unknown while neglecting what you already have. What if we let the fear rob us of the joy of smiling back at life? What if we never take the time to truly know ourselves, to make friends with who we are? Living in constant fear of the unexpected or unpleasant only holds us back. Instead, we must choose to live now. Let go of the fear. Let go of what ifs and the why me stories. Quote: Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. End quote. Take a moment to sit with yourself over a cup of coffee or tea and make peace with where you are, who you are. This is the best place you could ever be because it is yours now. Be kind to yourself. Let go of negativity and turn challenges into opportunities for growth. You have the power to choose your attitude in every situation. Choose to embrace what empowers you, supports you, and uplifts you. Time is not slipping away, it is just arriving in new forms every moment, bringing treasure designed especially for you. Choose to live, choose to believe, choose to embrace life, and step into a new year, a new day with courage and purpose. Believe in your goals and take the necessary actions to achieve them. This is your life and your responsibility only. You have to take every right moment all the time. Choose to take these right steps that are going to take you towards your goal, towards your destiny, that are going to make the best version of yourself. Quote: Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. End quote. I believe in you. You should believe in yourself and do what is right. And never stop, never give up. Whenever you are stuck by a calamity, you have a problem, you have an obstacle that you cannot go through, you just cannot give up. It is okay to feel stuck, to be nowhere, to have failure in your way. You just have to pick yourself up all the time and keep on going. Find a way, never settle for less. Good luck.